education 2 variable part 11. We will see a graphical method. You see, graphical method. Exercise 3.2, seventh problem, very important problem I am going to teach now. See, draw the graphs of the equation. Two equations given, pair of linear equations given. Determine the vertices of the triangle formed by this line at the x-axis and set the triangular region. Okay, so first what you have to do, on taking these two equations, you have to find out the solutions. Here, minimum 3 solutions you have to find out. In a graph, what minimum 3 solutions you have to find out, then only you will get a straight line. Here, proper straight line you will get. Okay, you avoid decimal fraction. Here, so when you take decimal fraction means while plotting the graph, it is what very difficult. Here, you will face difficulty. That's why avoid. Okay. Now I am going to take these two equations. First, what find out the solutions. Clear? Then you have to plot the points on the graph and find out the straight lines. Clear? You see. Take this equation. X minus y plus 1. Plus 1. This you bring what this side minus 1. For our okay, convenient, you bring a constant term with the right hand side. You take this is equation number 1. This equation 3x plus 2y is equal to 12. Equation number 2. First to find out one solution, because you know elimination method, very simple way. You can find out one correct solution. You can find out. Okay? Using that easily we can do. You see. What I am going to do is 2 multiply. In equation number 1, 2 multiply. What you will get? 2x minus 2y equal to minus 2. Now equation number 2 write as it is. 3x plus 2y is equal to 12. Now just adding what y eliminated. So here what you will get? 5x equal to 10. Therefore x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 you will get. Okay. Put this x is equal to 2 in equation number 1. Put x in equation number 1. What you will get? 2 minus y is equal to minus 1. So minus y equal to minus 1 minus 2. So minus y equal to minus 3. Minus cancel means y equal to 3. Okay. So when you put x is equal to 2, y equal to 3, you will get for both the equation you will get one solution. Then other solution easily we can find out. Clear? You see, first you take this equation. Equation number 1 take minus 1. Find out the solution. 3 solution enough. Okay. Just what 3 solution you find out. That is enough. So what I am going to do is x is 2, center you write, y is 3. Here x coefficient is 1, so below y you write minus 1. Y coefficient minus 1, so above you write no change, right as it is. This side you bring means plus 1, this is also plus 1. Now just you add here 1, 2, right, 3, 4. So easily we will get solutions of first equation. Then second equation also easily we will get. Easy. Second equation 3x plus 2y is equal to 12. Simple way. This is very simple way. You never get a mistake. Here x coefficient minus 3 right below writing change the sign and write. Y coefficient is above you have to write. So write as it is. Bring this one minus 2. Bring this one plus 3. Right? Bring this plus 2 this side minus 2. This one here. Now center you write one correct solution you write. Here. Now just add 2 plus 2 4. Here how much? 0. Right? Then here 0. Here 6 you will get. Okay. Now using this we can draw the graph. You see the graph x dash y dash. Okay, now you have to plot the points. That is very important. Okay, correctly how to plot. See, first point what 1 2. First equation you take the solutions. Clear? You find out 1 2 1 to where it will come. 1 here. X axis 1. X is 1 means in x axis 1 you have to take. Okay. Then y axis 2. Y axis 2 here. Both meeting point you have to take. Clear? You know already how to plot the points. Clear? In 9th class also you have studied. But listen very carefully. 2 3. Clear? 2 3 here 2. X is 2. Y is 3. Here it will be. Right? 3 4. X is 3. Y is 4. Here. Okay. Now all these 3 points you join correctly will get a straight line. Correctly will get a straight line. All these 3 points you join. Okay. Understand? You see this method you can find out many solutions also. We need only 3 solutions. Okay, easily you can find out. Okay, then you plot it and draw the graph. Means correctly will get straight line. Now see this equation. Okay, understand? So equation by equation you have to plot the points and immediately you draw the line. Otherwise you will get confusion. Clear? Once you plot the points of first equation, then immediately you draw the straight line. Okay. Now second equation 4 0. X is 4. X is 4 here. Y is 0. So this point only will come. Okay. X is 4. Y is 0 means in the x axis. Okay. The point on the x axis. Now 2 3 same. 2 3. This point only. Clear? Now 0 6. X is 0 here. Y is 6. Now join these 3 points. Correctly you join these 3 points. You extend the line so that it will be easily we can make the triangle. Okay. So you will get the triangle. You see, these 2 lines, the condition given here, you see, determine the vertices of the triangle formed by these lines and the x-axis. These two lines and the x-axis. Okay. So triangle means you need 3 lines here. So 2 given equation line and 1 more x-axis. Clear? So all the 3 lines meeting point. You take the meeting point here. Here meeting point, that is vertices of the triangle. You name it. This point is A, this point is B, this point is C. Therefore you can write the vertices. Vertices are, you write in the graph itself. Vertices are A is 2, 3. Correctly you have to write. First you have to write x coordinate, then y coordinate. Then B is -1, 0. Y coordinate 0. Then C is 4, 0. 4, 0. This is vertices of the triangle. Now we have to set the region. This is triangular region. This region is triangular region. Okay. Now you do shading the all triangular region. Clear? Understand? Sometimes they may ask what these 2 lines, okay, and the y-axis means this triangle you have to take. Y-axis means this triangle you have to take, right? Here they ask the x-axis means I have taken this. Clear? According to this problem, this triangle you have to take. Sometimes they may change also. Clear? These 2 lines and y-axis means this vertices. Clear? Y-axis vertices, these vertices you have to take. Okay. along y axis you have to take. Clear? Sometimes they may ask what the area of triangle also. Find out the area of triangle. So what you have to do from the what vertex A, you have to draw perpendicular line. Clear? Perpendicular line. This is how much? 3 centimeter. Okay, the distance is 3. Now the base. This is height. Height. The base is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Base is 5. Clear? Base is 5. That is BC equal to 5. Base. Base BC equal to 5 centimeter. And in height. Height. You name it some M. AM equal to 3 centimeter. Therefore, area we can find out. Area of triangle is what? Half into base into height. Okay? Therefore, area of triangle ABC is equal to half into base into height. Half into base into height. That is equal to half into what is the base? 5. What is the height? 3. Okay. Therefore, 15 by 2. 15 by 2. Right. That is 7.5. 7.5 centimeter square. Area means square you have to do. 7.5 centimeter square. Okay, if they ask area means you have to find out. Clear? I have given just idea. You have to find out. Clear? Area means so simple, very simple way. You can do this graph problem. Clear? So elimination method we know already. Clear? From this you find out one correct solution. Clear? The two lines intersect in one point. That is unique solution. You will get a correct solution. You can verify also this. Okay, 2, 3. You can verify 2, 3, minus 3. 2 minus 3 minus 1. So that is pakka solution. Clear? Then you can find out other solution by using this method. You can easily find out. Okay. After finding, you can erase it also. This time, nobody knows. You write this one in the pencil. Okay. Then easily with eraser you can erase it. Okay. Understand? They will only see the solution at the graph. Graph is correct means okay. They will not see this also. Easily they will you will get mark. Clear? You see, this is very important problem. Board exam problems. Clear? Graphically solve the following pair of linear equations. 2x plus y equal to 6 and 2x minus y plus 2 equal to 0. Find the ratio of the areas of two triangles formed by these lines with x-axis and y-axis. Both the area you have to find out. Clear? So very important problem. Horse problem this one. Clear? Very important. So first what you solve the equation by elimination method. You will get one pakka solution. Clear? You find out 2x plus y equal to 6. That is equation number 1. Equation number 2 also write it. 2x minus y equal to minus 2. That is equation number 2. Okay. By adding itself, you see 1 plus 2 add here. 1 plus 2 gives. Okay. 4x, this is y get cancelled. Y get cancelled. Here how much? 4. Therefore, x is equal to 1. Just adding, clear, 1 plus 2, adding, equation number 1 plus 2 gives y get cancelled, 2x plus 2x, 4x, this is 4, x is equal to 1. Put this 1, put x in, equation number 1 you put, that is better. So what you will get? 2 into 1, 2 plus y equal to 6. Therefore, y equal to 4, y equal to 4. So you will get one pakka solution. Okay. Now equation number 1 you take 2x plus y equal to 6. Find out the solutions. Tabular column you do. Draw the tabular column. X, Y, 3 solution. Okay, so center you write this solution. X is 1 means Y is 4. X is 1 means Y is 4. Okay, while solving you will get one pakka solution. Clear? That's why you never get mistakes. Clear? This is a very useful method. Okay, simple method. So here x coefficient 2 right below means change the sign and write. Y coefficient plus 1. Bring this side minus 1. Bring this side plus 2. Right? Now just add how much 2. Here how much 2. Right? Here 0. So here 6. Okay, easily will get it. Now second equation you take. 2x minus y equal to minus 2. Right? Equation number 2. X, y, right. Okay. Here pakka solution, right? 1, 4. Now x coefficient 2 means minus 2. Here minus 1. Correctly write coefficient with sign. Bring this side plus 1. Bring this side plus 2. Now just add 0 means 2. Here add 2 means 6. 2 means 6. Now we can draw the graph. You can draw the graph. So you draw the graph. Clear? So better you take the graph sheet. You do the graph sheet. Clear? I am doing approximately. Understand? But you can do perfectly. You can do right by using graph sheet. Here in this board we cannot use graph sheet. Clear? That's why I am doing roughly. I am doing clear. Approximately I am doing. I am 99% I will do correctly. Okay. Now you plot first equation. 2 comma 2 where it will come? Here 2 comma 2 here. Okay. 1 comma 4. 1 is here, 4 is here. 1 comma 4. Okay. Then 0 comma 6. 0 comma 6 here. Now immediately you draw the line. Straight line you have to draw. Draw straight line. Okay. Draw a straight line. The next point. Next equation solution we write 0 2 0 2 here 1 4 1 4 this only. Okay. Then 2 6 2 is here 6 is here. Okay. Now you join these 3 points. Okay, so you will get you see 2 triangle will form. These 2 lines and the x-axis. Okay, these two line and the x-axis. This is this triangle. That is what you name it. This is A. This is B. This is C. Then this one is D. Okay, this is E. This point is E. Name it. Understand? Now, first you take area of this triangle. Area of this triangle. Okay, area of this triangle you first to find out. Then area of this triangle. Area of this triangle you have to find out. Right? So, 2 triangle what you are getting. Area of triangle ABC and area of triangle ADE. ADE. Both you have to find out. Okay. First you take in triangle ABC. You see triangle ABC, that is what these 2 lines are the x-axis, that is triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, Base find out, base is BC equal to how many centimeter? Here 1, okay, 2, 3, 4, 4 centimeter. Then height is how many centimeter here? 1, 4. Height is 1, 4. Okay, 1, 4 means 1, 2, 3, 4 centimeter height. That is height. You write height equal to 4 centimeter. You write okay. Height is 4 centimeter. Therefore, area of triangle ABC of into 4 into 4. That is cut it means 8 centimeter squared. 8 centimeter squared. So now you take this triangle in triangle ADE. Base is first rank base. Base is this base, that is D. Base is what? D, right? Base is D. How many centimeter? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 centimeter. That is D. Base is D. 4 centimeter. Now height is this is the height. Perpendicular distance height 1 centimeter. Okay, because 1, 4. That is 1, 4. Okay, you draw perpendicular means correctly 1, 4. So height is 1 centimeter. Therefore, area of triangle ADE equal to half into 4 into 1. That is how much? 2. So 2 centimeter square. 2 centimeter. So now you see the problem. Find the areas of the two triangles formed by these lines with x-axis and y-axis. So first you have to take this triangle area by this triangle area. First x-axis here triangle and then y-axis triangle you have to take. So triangle area of triangle ABC by area of triangle AD equal to 8 by 2. Okay, 8 by 2. Simplify means 4 by 1. 4 is to 1. The required ratio is 4 is to 1. So this is a very important problem, CBSE problem. In HOTS they will ask clear. HOTS type problems in CBSE they may ask clear. So if you do this problem, if you solve this problem, you can do any type of problems. Clear? You see this exercise 3.2 first problem. Okay, first problem, second subdivision. Form the pair of linear equation in the following problems and find their solution graphically. Here is statement given. Okay, according to statement you have to frame the equation. Then you have to what? Find out the solution graphically. You see, 5 pencils and 7 pens together cost rupees 50, whereas 7 pencil and 5 pens together cost rupees 46. Find the cost of 1 pencil and that of 1 pen. So first you assume this cost of 1 pencil be rupees X. Okay, let the cost of 1 pencil be rupees X and cost of 1 pen be rupees Y. Rupees Y. We don't know actual cost of 1 pencil and 1 pen. So just assume that. Now you come to the statement. First statement is what? 5 pencil and 7 pens together cost 50 means you can frame one equation, right? You see 5 pencil means 5 into X. Pencil cost plus then pen cost together means plus pen cost you have to find out, that is 7 into Y. 7Y is equal to rupees 50. Rupees 50. Total cost rupees 50. You will get one equation, right? And next statement you see. 7 pencil and 5 pens together cost rupees 46. Second is treatment. 7 pencil means 7x plus 5 pens means 5y is equal to 46. That is equation number 2. Clear? In the rougher column, you using elimination method, you find out the solution. Okay, solution is 3, 5 means correctly it will be satisfied. Okay, 3, 5. You remember solution is 3, 5. So I am going to find out only the tabular column. You see, first equation you take. Five x plus 7y equal to 50. Three, 5 you put. Now you write the coefficients. Write the coefficients. X coefficient you write here minus 5. Y coefficient plus 7. Bring this one minus 7 plus 5. Right. Now just you add how much? 10, 0. Okay. 10, 0. Here minus 4. Minus 4, how much? 10. Just add. Okay, easily you can find out the solution. Now next second equation you take. Same way do. Same 3, 5 you write. That is 3, 5 is Pakka solution. You can do by using elimination method also. Here, okay. Now, here x coefficient minus 7 you write. Below y you are writing. So, minus. Here y coefficient plus 5. Then change the side. Plus 7, right? Now add 8. This will become minus 7 plus 5, minus 2. This one minus 2, 12, minus 2, 12. Okay. Now you can plot this one in the graph and let's see. You see, now we can plot these points. Clear? First two equation points we can plot. 10, 0. The x-axis 10, 0 here. Okay. 3, 5. 3, x-axis 3, y-axis 5 here. Do in the graph, okay, you will get very accurately. Minus 4, 10. Minus 4 here, 10. Here it is. Okay. For me, just approximately. Okay. So then you draw the straight line. Join these 3 points, you will get a straight line. Okay. Join these 3 points, you will get correct straight line. Okay. Next, equation points you plot. 8 minus 2. 8 is here, minus 2 here. 8 minus 2, approximate. Then 3, 5, same. 3, 5, same. Then minus 2, 12. Minus 2 here, 12 here. Okay. Now join these 3 points. You have to join. Get correct straight line. If you join means correctly, we get straight line. Okay. So this is the solution graphically 3, 5. Graphically 3, 5. That means x is 3, y is 5. X is 3, x is equal to 3, y equal to 5. Therefore, our assumption is cost of one pencil is, therefore cost of one pencil equal to rupees 3. Therefore, and cost of one pen is rupees 5. So like this easily we can solve by graphical method. Understand? So you remember this method, very simple way you can find out the solutions. Okay. The problem is however it may be difficult. Easily you can find out. Okay. Here you do elimination method and in rougher column you do, because the question they ask what? Graphically how to find the solutions. That's why what in the rougher column you do elimination method and you find one Pakka solution 3, 5 is the Pakka solution 3, 5 find out. Okay. Then using this method easily we can find out the solutions. We can find out some more solution also, but we need only 3 solutions. Easily we can find out and do it. Okay. Then you better you erase it so that nobody knows. That is the trick. Erase it. That's all. Okay. So same type of problem I will give homework. You do practice. Okay.